Hi everyone. This is our introduction to the 6th week of our class, Education 556, Legal and Political Aspects of School Administration. Your readings this week all focus on the subject of student discipline, Chapter 9 in the textbook, as well as 2 articles that we have set aside for you on the page for the week. Discipline, unfortunately, is often at the heart of what site administrators end up doing first when they become site administrators. And I remember once, very early on, complaining to a mentor of mine about being stuck doing, detentions and suspensions and disciplinary matters all day. And I whined a little bit about it. And this woman, my mentor, who had been a state principal of the year, just cut me to the quick when she said, "Robert, the important question is, what are you learning when you do this work? What are you learning about the kids, about your faculty, about your systems? And then, what are you going to do about it?" So as you work your way through the discipline readings this week, I hope somewhere in the back of your mind you'll keep that question. The major assignment due at the end of week 6 is the Administrative Rules and Policy paper, which we've already talked about to some degree during our synchronous session. I've also posted an example of a good rules and policy paper written by one of my former students. There's one caveat about her paper, which was that it was written at a time when students weren't required to have as many APA-cited references as yours. But other than that, it's an excellent piece of work, and when you read it over, you'll see why. And perhaps it can serve as a model or as some sort of spur to your own work in that regard. Finally, the last thing I want to remind you of is that at the end of week 8, you turn in a final project. And I had asked each of you to group up into groups of 2 or 3 and to email me a submission of what you want to do in your final project, what you want to study, what is it that you want to learn more about and apply educational law to. So I urge you to get that done as soon as possible, because obviously you want to be prepared for that. Now, the last thing about this is that I'm recording this video on the Monday of the week of Thanksgiving, so technically we are dark this week as we all prepare to give thanks and to be with our friends and families and loved ones. So the week 6 doesn't actually end until December the 3rd, so you do have some time. But I urge you to use this week to the extent that you can to catch up, to get ahead, to be prepared, because those last 2 weeks really do zoom, particularly with what's going on in your own work. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving, or I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I look forward to working with you until we are complete. Take care. Bye-bye.